Hello, and welcome back. Today I will be showing you guys how I style my mini twist once it begins to frizz and you do not want to take it out, because I am planning on wearing these for a while. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hello, if it's your first time, welcome to my channel. If it's not, hello lovelies. Glad to have you back. Well, you guys, so I decided to do mini twists in my hair because I've been neglecting my hair a lot. I haven't been having the time that I would use. At least it's going to be taken care of that way, and it's not gonna be being tangled, because for some reason my hair loves to be entangled. I didn't want my bun to be too neat. I kind of wanted it messy, which is why I left a few pieces.